In our last class, we were discussing about the direction of electric field intensity, and I have told you as far as the direction of electric field intensity is concerned, the direction of electric field intensity is the direction in which a unit positive test charge experiences a force. Suppose here is a positive source charge. We know this source charge will create a region around it, and we call this region around a charge as electric field. Suppose I need to find out electric field at some point A in this region. In order to find the direction of electric field at point A, you need to place a unit positive test charge at this point. So at point A, place a unit positive test charge Q0 and find the direction in which this test charge Q0 is going to experience the force. Since the source charge and the test charge are like charges, this test charge must experience a force of repulsion. So this is the direction in which a force is experienced by the test charge. According to the rule, the direction of electric field is the direction in which unit positive test charge experiences a force. ಈ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೋ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಎ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್, electric field is always away from the charge. This we know. Due to a positive source charge, electric field is always away from the charge, and due to a negative source charge, suppose if this source charge is negative, and if we have to find out the direction of electric field at some point, say A, in the region around this charge, we need to place a unit positive test charge at point A. Since we need to find the direction of electric field intensity at point A, we need to place a unit positive test charge. So this is must. ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೋ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಡಲೇಬೇಕು. If you are asked to find direction of electric field at point A, first place a unit positive test charge at that point and measure the direction in which this test charge experiences the force. ಈ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇವಾಗ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ this test charge will experience force of attraction. So the force is towards the source charge. As a result, the electric field will also be towards the source charge. The direction of electric field intensity is the direction in which unit positive test charge experiences a force. Here the test charge is experiencing force towards the source charge, so the electric field must also be towards the source charge. So due to a negative source charge, electric field is always towards the source charge. This is regarding the direction of electric field intensity. After all, understanding the direction of electric field intensity, we will try to understand motion of a positively charged and a negatively charged particle in an electric field produced by positive source charge. So we will now understand the motion of a positively and negatively charged particle in an electric field produced by positive source charge. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ದಟ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್. ಟು ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ we will consider a positive source charge placed at some point, say O, in vacuum. We have a positive source charge plus Q placed at point O. This is a positive source charge. We know a source charge is a charge which can create its own electric field. So this source charge would have created electric field around it, and we will consider some point, say A, in this electric field. See, point A is lying in the electric field. Now we know what will be the direction of electric field at that point. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹತ್ರ electric field direction ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. How to find out the direction of electric field ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, place a unit positive test charge at that point, measure the direction in which it experiences the force. The direction of electric field is same as direction of the force experienced by the test charge. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ electric field must be away from the charge. This is the direction of electric field intensity at this point. So due to a positive source charge, electric field intensity must be away from the charge. Okay. Now let me place a proton at point P. See, I am now placing a positively charged particle. We know proton is a positively charged particle. So what I have done is I have placed a positively charged particle, proton, at point A. See, point A is in the electric field. Point A is in the electric field produced by Q. Q produce ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎ ಹತ್ರ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ I have placed a positively charged particle. We know what happens whenever a charged particle enters in the electric field. By the definition of electric field is a region around a source charge within which another charge experiences a force. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ that charge is going to experience force. Now I have placed a proton at point A. What should happen? This source charge will exert force of repulsion on this proton. As a result, the proton moves in this manner, or it will move in this direction. The proton moves away from point A. We can say whenever a positively charged particle is placed in the electric field produced by positive source charge, then that positively charged particle will experience a force. See, whenever a charged particle is placed in electric field, whenever a charged particle is placed in electric field, it experiences an electric force. It experiences an electric force. So, when we place proton in the electric field produced by plus Q, the proton experiences a force in the direction of the electric field. Electric field ಯಾವ direction ಆಗದೋ ಈ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅದೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ. This is the conclusion of this discussion. Whenever a positively charged particle is placed in the electric field produced by plus Q, this positively charged particle experiences a force in the direction of the electric field. Electric field ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗದೋ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ. So we will make a note of it. A positively charged particle, in this case the proton, a positively charged particle when placed in the electric field produced by plus Q. See, this is the source charge. When a positively charged particle is placed in the electric field produced by plus Q, it experiences, that means proton experiences a force in the direction of electric field. In the direction of electric field. This must be remembered, right? A positively charged particle, when placed in the electric field produced by plus Q, experiences force in the direction of electric field. Then, how about a negatively charged particle? How about a negatively charged particle? Suppose we have a positive source charge plus Q placed at point O in vacuum. We know due to a positive charge, electric field will be pointing away from the charge. This is the direction of electric field due to a positive charge. Due to a positive charge, electric field always points outwards, and due to a negative charge, electric field always points inwards. Okay. Due to this positive charge, there will be electric field around it, and the direction of electric field at some point, say A, will be away from the charge. Now let me place a negative charge at point A. I have placed a negatively charged particle. E represents electron. Let us suppose we have placed electron at point A. When we place electron at point A, we know this electron will experience an electric force. What is the direction in which it experiences the force? E electron force ಯಾವ direction ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. The source charge is positive and the charge placed at A is negative. Between two unlike charges there must be force of attraction. So this is the direction in which electron experiences the force. Look at the direction of force and the direction of electric field. The direction of force experienced by negatively charged particle when placed in electric field produced by plus Q. ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ನ ಪ್ಲಸ್ Q ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತಿರೋ ಆವಾಗ this negatively charged particle is going to experience a force in a direction opposite to the direction of the electric field. Electric field ಯಾವ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ now the electron will start moving towards the source charge. Electron starts moving towards the source charge. So a negatively charged particle when placed in the electric field produced by plus Q, whenever a negatively charged particle, say an electron, is placed in the electric field created by plus Q, it experiences a force in a direction opposite to the direction of electric field. So this is regarding the motion of a positively charged particle and a negatively charged particle in an electric field produced by positive source charge. I repeat, whenever a positively charged particle is placed, say proton, whenever a positively charged particle is placed in the electric field produced by plus Q, this positively charged particle experiences force in the direction of electric field. Now, each proton it moves along the direction of electric field. If this is the proton moves along the direction of electric field. It experiences force in the direction of electron. On the other hand, whenever a negatively charged particle is placed in the electric field created by plus Q, it experiences a force in a direction opposite to the direction of electric field. Under electric field right side idre ee electron left side move aagutade. This is regarding the motion of a positively charged particle in an electric field produced by positive source charge. Throughout our discussion of electrostatics, we will be studying only the electric fields produced by plus Q maximum number of times. We will not have much discussion regarding the electric field produced by minus Q. So, you just remember the motion of positive and negatively charged particles in the electric field produced by negative source charge will be exactly opposite to this case. You can just work it out, right? But many a number of times we will be discussing only the ideas concerned with an electric field produced by positive source charge. So as far as the ideas of positive source charge are concerned, you must know what is the direction in which positively charged particle experiences force and what is the direction in which negatively charged particle experiences a force. Thank you.